Hi guys, today in this video we're going to build this 12 volt DC fan controller, the speed control of a 12 volt DC motor or any DC fan. You can also use a computer supply. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be needing the IRF Z44N MOSFET. We'll bend its legs like this. And now we are going to solder all the other components that are very few. So this is the gate, drain and source. This is basically the pin configuration of IRF Z44N MOSFET. Now we'll take a potentiometer of 50K or 10K and we'll connect it like this. Okay, now we have a 12 volt DC motor. You can also use any 12 volt DC fan, computer fan or any DC motor. Then 100 UF capacitor. And we'll connect the 100 UF capacitor just like this. The positive part of the capacitor to the positive end of our DC motor and the negative end of the capacitor to the negative end of our DC motor. And now the source of our IRF Z44N will be connected like that. You can get the schematic diagram of this circuit in this video. So now you can review the connections that are very simple and very easy. And now we'll connect a piece of wire with this end of our potentiometer to the negative end of this DC motor. Now our circuit is almost completed. All the soldering is done now. You can review the connections here. Now I'll connect the battery wires. Here I'll connect my 12 volt battery or power source. So this is our propeller. I'm installing this propeller. Okay, now we'll connect our 12 volts battery to our circuit. And hopefully the circuit will work well. So as you can see, the circuit is working well. The speed control is very smooth. We can smoothly control our DC motor or DC fan's speed. So this is a very basic circuit, and you must, I'll suggest you to build this circuit if you're a student. This is a very good student project and yet a very useful project, especially in summer season. Here you can see how smoothly the speed is controlled. If you use a 10K potentiometer, then it will be more smooth. So that's all for today, and I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.